Let's take a look at this multiple choice question from farhatlectures.com. On July 15, 2022, the IRS completed its examination of Mark's 2020 individual income tax return and formally recorded the additional tax owed in its system. Mark later received several notices requesting payment. For purposes of the IRS 10-year collection statute of limitation, when does the collection period begin? Because we need to determine when does it begin. Does it begin when the original due date, which was April 15? Does it begin when he filed? When does it begin? Okay. Is it April 15, 2021, the original due date of the return? Because if it's for the year 2020, the original due date is April 15, 2021. And the answer is no. It doesn't start there. On July 15th, 2022, the date the IRS formally recorded the liability, the answer is yes. So they're going to have from July 15th, 2022 till July 15th, 2032. The answer is that. On the date Mark received his first notice, no. Requesting payment, no. When they recorded it, when they assessed it, it will start there. They will notify you, then they will send you a payment. That's a different story. On the date Mark makes his first payment, no, they don't wait. What if you waited a year? That's not going to eat up a year from your clock. From the time they record the tax liability, they will notify you. The assumption is that they will notify you shortly, and they have 10 years to come after you and collect the money. What should you do now? If you're a Farhat Lectures, you could ask Farhat AI to explain this topic for you, explain the incorrect answer, create a similar MCQ. If you're an EA candidate, CPA candidate, accounting student, the best investment you can make is invest in yourself. FarhatLectures.com, lectures, podcast, AI tools, multiple choice that will help you succeed in your certification as well as accounting courses. Good luck and God bless.
Want to see more CPA exam multiple choice questions solved step by step? At FarhatLectures.com, you will get hundreds of video solved MCQs step by step, including previously released AI CPA questions, previously released AI CPA simulation, in-depth lectures and resources to prepare for the CPA exam, AI tools that's going to help you study smarter, not harder, CPA exam podcast lessons where you can learn on the go. And also you will get the personal guidance of support of Farhat and his team. If you are serious about passing the CPA exam, this is your next step. Visit the website farhatlectures.com, start your free trial, and I hope to see you on the website.